Hi there everybody, so in this video I have this BMW 335 convertible. This is a 2007 and I'm just gonna change the air filter. This is the air filter I got here, part number LX1564, and if you get your bonnet open, the filter is sitting under this cover here, so just need to pop these clips open here. And then get that cover out, and that's our filter there. That filter is not really, it's not too bad, but it's just part of maintenance. If you find that this area is very dirty, then you can just give it a wipe or try to hoover out. This car hasn't really covered that many miles. Right, let's get this back in there. And just make sure the rubber here is sitting nicely all around, and we can get this cover back on just like so. Pressing on the center of the clip makes it a lot easier to get this back on. This one is a little hot because the car has been driving. It was driving and it was it's really hot at the moment, so okay. And then we have this one as well. We can just and that's pretty much it. So hope this video helps, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.